Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama ho natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Isang malaking kasiyahan. And what an honor it is dahil ang ating panauhin ho ngayong hapon ay Asia's Nightingale. But she's also a warrior, she's a winner, and she's a friend. Naitay kapuso ang nag-iisang Lani Misalucha.
Dito pala ako sa gitna.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
And bravo, palakpakan natin. Congratulations. Still Lani. Still Lani Misalucha. Kumusta? How was that experience?
It was, for me, it was really a marvelous experience. It is just really, I'm really grateful that night that I was able to, you know, to finish the whole thing.
Halos 4 na oras.
Halos na 4 na oras, sa
Sabi
totoo
ni Noli.
lang. Yes, halos 4
Kung
na
meron
oras.
kang isang bagay na hindi malilimutan sa gabing yun, ano yun?
Seeing the audience, yung mga taong nagpunta para manood, seeing all of them beaming, having a great time, yun na yung parang pinaka-fulfillment. You know, na nakikita mo na masaya sila. Na parang pag uwi nila, parang ang saya pa rin nila. You know, they're still talking about it. Yun yung gusto ko, yung pag umuwi ang tao, they would carry with them yung experience na nasiyahan sila, nag-enjoy sila, umiyak sila, tumawa sila, sumayaw.
May pangamba ka bago magsimula ang concert?
May pangamba. May malaking pangamba. Malaking pangamba. Ay, alam mo na, hindi ko akalain na eto na, parang alam mo yun, it was August 21. August 20, doon pa lang nagsisink in na, oh my gosh, bukas na yung concert. Na sa sobrang nervyos ko, hindi ako nakatulog. Hindi, ang dami ko talaga, as in, parang alam mo yun yung feeling na gusto mong umatras. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko. Yeah. Yun yung mga tumatakbo sa utak
Some
ko.
time ago, 2 years ago to be exact, we did a conversation. Sabi mo sa akin, and we were talking about the meningitis, the health challenge. Sabi mo, bakit pa ako kakanta? Noong gabi ng August 21, did you get the answers?
Somehow, yes. Somehow, yes. Na, kasi parang pag binigyan ka ng isang instrumento na para siyang, pag hindi mo pinagpatuloy na gamitin, para lang siyang mababaliwala, mangangalawang siya. Di ba when you leave a certain, you know, a tool in the house and parang mga lagare, di ba? Parang mangangalawang siya eh.
Lani, alam mo, merong isang universidad, naalala ko lang, may isang universidad sa Amerika, Carnegie Mellon, meron silang tinatawag na The Last Lecture. Hypothetical yun, ha? Pinipili nila ang isa, if not the best, teacher for the year. And then, he is asked to deliver an imaginary The Last Lecture. Kung huling lecture mo, ano ang ituturo mo? I'd like to use this as a take-off. Ikaw, halimbawa, hypothetical lang, last concert, what would it be? Anong mga awit? Anong nais mong sabihin? What do you see in that concert?
When it comes to songs, I guess I would include a lot of songs that talks about Thanksgiving or being grateful, para mai-relate ko sa tao na nagpapasalamat ako
Sino
sa kanila.
Sino ang guests na nakikita mo?
Nga, no?
Ito may hypothetical
Siguro
lang.
magiging marami sila. If this is going to be the final one, marami sila.
Hindi mo imbitahan si Bocelli?
Busy siya eh.
Lumipad nga tayo. Sino sa palagay mo ang, halimbawa, last concert? And if you were to invite one,
Just one?
halimbawa, well, a couple of names.
Oh my gosh. Maybe Tabernacle Choir?
Wow!
The Tabernacle Choir.
Wow! Oo, ganda nun. At saka, it should be a concert of gratitude.
Yes.
Lani, in your 40-year journey, inakala mo ba, even just for a fleeting moment, na sisikat ka ng ganito?
Hindi.
Talaga?
Hindi. Alam mo naman, di ba, yung
Oh,
story
alam ko.
di
I
ba?
know your
Alam-
story.
Di ba?
Pero walang moments na, I'm gonna make it.
No. No. Hindi ko talaga na-imagine na mararating ko ito. Hindi ko akalain na magiging ganito. Because, hindi ako napaka, ko lang na tao. Hindi ako mapaghangad.
Oo.
Alam mo
At
yun?
kilala kita doon.
Yun. And I just thought that I was just going to be, a homemaker.
And when that happened, when you became one of the biggest music stars of this country, ano ang reaksyon mo? I'm sorry but magkasabayan tayo. Everybody had a concert with you from back-to-back with Regine, with Jaja, with lahat. Martin, Gary. How was that feeling?
Yung mga time na yun nga na marami ko na silang nakasama, nakaka-perform ko sila. I was just slowly taking it in na parang, wow, it is real. It is really happening. And bawat talaga na mga performances ko, whether it's a small one, a small scale, or a major one, lahat yun
Ibinibigay mo?
pinagsasalamatan ko.
Ako nga, nakita ko during the concert of our friend Dulce. You were in the audience. You were asked to, go on stage. Wala kang binabalato, basta kanta, bigay lahat. Di ba? And congratulations, palakpakan po natin, 40 years of Miss Lani Missolution.
Maraming salamat. I'll just take this pagkakataon na magpasalamat po sa inyong lahat at dumalo po kayo sa lahat po ng mga tao na involved kasi sinabi ko na hindi biro mag-concert ngayon, di ba?
Right.
Di ba? Siyempre, it will involve a lot of things. Di ba? Money, di ba? Effort, energy, talent, and all that. So, I'm very grateful to each one of you sa lahat po ng nagtrabaho para sa concert na ito. At syempre po, lahat po kayo na nanood at bumili ng ticket at nagpunta. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah. Ang kwento ng buhay mo kasi taas. And then may malungkot.
Oo.
Some time ago, you lost your mother.
Yes.
Did you miss her?
Oh, yes.
Di ba? I mean, what an inspiration. Kasi po, ang ina ni Lani was also a singer. She was an opera singer. Kung meron kang natutunan, the most important lesson you learned from your mother, ano ito?
Kasi yung mom ko, somehow para siya yung naging breadwinner because yung dad namin, nag-retire siya. Kasi he's very much older than my mom. 16 years older siya sa mom ko. So, maaga siyang nag-retire. And then, my mom became,
Right.
The breadwinner. So, nakita ko yung kanyang hard work. She would be working 5 times. Wow, it's...
Oh. As an artist, anong natutunan mo sa kanya?
Alam mo, hindi siya ganun ka-outspoken, Siguro yung... hindi siya very vocal,
Okay.
Nakikita ko na lang na yung kanyang pagsisikap. Tsaka, yun nga, yung nagtatrabaho siya araw-araw
To support the family.
to support the family.
That's right.
Kasi when it comes to singing, kasi you know the story na hindi naman talaga sila nag-encourage sa amin na kumanta, di ba? So, I would be, random lang talaga siya na, humming. Kaya, hindi talaga siya na kumakanta. Probably because, yun na yung sinabi ng parents niya na hindi siya pwedeng maging singer.
Right.
So, ang sigurong talagang nakuha ko sa kanya, na na-admire ko siya, is yung kailangan. Magtatrabaho siya, you know, to support the family.
If you have a song for Mommy, ano yan? What would you sing for her?
That will be one of the songs that I sang, yung 1st of May.
She must look so proud. Mommy, thank you. Thank you for Lani. Thank you for the music. We will talk about the Clash and the Clashers. Final Four will be joining us.
Yes.
When we return, dito lamang po sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. That's a lovely song. One of your biggest hits. We're back on the show. Kasama pa rin po natin Asia's Nightingale, Lani Misalucha. Lani, let's do Fast Talk.
Hi!
Multiplex karaoke.
Multiplex.
Diva Queen.
Diva.
Still Lani, Sexy Lani.
It's still Lani.
Asia's Nightingale, Siren of the Ship.
Nightingale.
Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, ikaw lang ang mamahalin.
Bukas na lang kita mamahalin.
Tila tunay na mahal.
Tila.
Maraming kulot, mataas na notes.
Maraming kulot.
Sweet sa fans, sweet kay Nolly.
Wow naman.
Gusto ko yon.
Sweet sa fans. Pinili talaga yung fans.
Judge, singer.
Singer.
Clasher, basher.
Clasher.
Most fulfilling, awards o palakpak?
Palakpak.
Dream duet, Celine, Mariah.
Celine.
Sa mga young singers, sino ang pinakamagaling para sa'yo?
Ay! Oh my God. Baka naman.
Oo. Baka matrouble ka pa. O, sa mga aktor, sino ang bagay mong ka-love team? Mamili ka. Oo.
Hindi ko naman yata napag-isipin. Sige na nga, Derek Ramsey.
Yes or no? Nagtampo sa kapwa singer.
Sige na nga, yes.
Yes or no? Pinangarap maging leading lady sa pelikula.
No.
Yes or no? Pinakialaman ang phone ni Mister.
I know.
Yes or no? Naka-experience ng stage fright.
Yes.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate pa rin.
Best time for chocolates?
At night.
Complete the sentence. I am Lani and I am still...
Here.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah. You are present and you will always be there. Maraming salamat. And right now, I'd like to bring in the Clash 2025 Final Four. Juari Sabes, Lia Fer Galoso, Jong Madaliday, and Arabel de la Cruz. Maraming salamat. Please. Paano niyo pinaghahandaan ang, how do you call that, the final night?
Yes.
How are you preparing for it? Go ahead.
Ako po, good sleep.
A lot of sleep, Jong. Kasi pag natutulog, lumalabas ang boses.
Yes po.
Arabel,
Rest and vocalization.
how do you vocalize? Go.
Me. Like lip rolls also, yung mga
Okay. Juari. Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes,
I'm sorry,
yes po.
Juari. Okay.
Sa akin-
Paanong pinaghanda?
Sa akin naman po, ayun po, kagaya po na nasabi ni Kuya Jong, rest po talaga, enough rest po, and talagang pinaprepare ko po hindi lang yung sarili, kundi yung mental health ko din po. Since sa pagkanta po kasi hindi lang yung personal mo lang din
Right,
talaga,
oo.
kailangan yung mental mo stable din po.
Tama.
talaga.
Ikaw, Iha.
Ako naman-
Lia Fer.
Ako naman po, tulog, ganun lang po. Rest lang din
Tulog
po.
Ako, ang dami-dami ko rin naman tulog. Pero hindi nag-improve.
Tulog at saka kain.
Pero ganun kahalaga, no? Yung tulog. Okay. We have a winner. Silang lahat.
Grabe itong mga to.
Ang gagaling,
Grabe
ano?
itong mga to.
Oo. What are you looking for, Lani?
Ay, syempre, hopefully, meron talaga siyang complete na eh. Alam mo, sana complete na, star
Oo.
quality. Of course, definitely, yung talent, yung voice dapat nandyan.
Oo. Are you ready to be stars?
yes.
Are you ready to be stars?
Yes.
So, hindi pwedeng yes. So,
Yes,
kailangan ready ka, di ba? There was a time, for example, Lani, in your career, na pinagsasabong kayo ng kaibigang Regine Velasquez. Was it tough? How did you handle that?
sa totoo lang, ano na lang kunwari may mga write-ups, mga ganyan, I just ignore it.
Uh-huh. And then when you talk to Regine, paano? Napapag-usapan niyo?
Yeah, minsan
Di ba?
yes.
Kasi during that time, you were under one management also.
Correct.
Kay Ronnie Henares.
Kay Ronnie Henares.
That must have been difficult. But at the same time, kasi wala ngang katotohanan,
Yeah.
sige lang.
Oh, sige lang.
Hindi
Kasi-
naman kayo nag-away ni Regine, di ba?
No.
Oo,
No.
oo. You were very, very good friends.
Yes.
Alam mo, you posted something when Mommy passed on. It was a beautiful C.J. Lewis quote. Do you remember? Napakaganda nun, na parang her absence is like the sky. Oo, na parang it's like the sky and it covers everything. Di ba? Na parang kahit saan ka lumingon, nakikita mo ang mommy. There's another C.J. Lewis saying actually that it's never too late to set new goals and to dream new dreams. Anong bagong pangarap, Lani?
Bukod sa maging Bold Star.
Yun. Given yun. Given yun eh. Given yun.
Oh gosh. Actually, ang dream ko na lang talaga is for Papa Nols and I to, to retire comfortably.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman ang ano ko.
And be healthy.
And be healthy,
Please,
definitely.
Lord. Oo.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Ano ang importanteng mensahe mo para sa kanilang apat?
Ang gusto ko lang masabi sa kanila, no, let's say, of course, na kumbaga somehow nakastep na kayo sa industriya ng musika, I want you to stay grounded and definitely you have to continue to improve your skill, your
Right.
talent, and never stop seeking advice from professionals, and also learn how to have a relationship with the people around you, treat everyone nicely, whether isang maliit na tao o napakalaking
Napaka-importante
tao,
yan.
o
Pakikisama.
Makikisama.
Oo.
Yan.
Kayo, you're the present Clashers, right?
Yes.
Clash backers si Jong at saka si Arabelle. Sino ang binabantayan nyo sa kanila? Di ba meron ganun yan sa competition?
Yeah.
Sino? Si Joanne mukhang matapang eh. Sasagot.
Naku, hindi po. Actually po, lahat kasi talaga pong magagaling.
Halimbawa may isa kang binabantayan sa kanilang dalawa. Sino?
No, nakakatakot. Siguro po, dalawa na lang po sila.
Dalawa?
Opo.
Talagang hindi ka pwedeng pumili ng isa.
Hindi po.
Subukan nga natin si Leah Fer. Leah Fer, ikaw sino?
Sa akin po silang dalawa din.
Wait, sige na,
Oo
magsabi.
nga eh. Dito nga tayo kay Jong at kay Arabelle. Sinong binabantayan nyo sa dalawang ito?
So, ayun, I'm gonna be like honest, okay?
Thank you,
Sasagutin
John.
ko, okay. Kasi season 1, ganito yung nakalaban ko, si Golden. So, ganitong like postura, like yung same genre.
Okay.
Yes po.
So ngayon, sinong binabantayan mo?
Leah Fer.
Leah Fer.
Yeah.
Okay. Arabelle, ikaw, sino?
Ako actually po, unang round pa lang sabi ko sa kanila, mga kapwa ko clashbacker, iba din talaga yung boses and performance ni Juwari. Iba din talaga.
Wow, okay. Lani, maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Thank
And
you.
congratulations. I have flowers for you. Ako naman po ang sasagot. Leron.
Yes!
Aba, kahit sa pagpili ng kanta, kailangan tama. Kaya piliin lagi ang tama. Bihuan tama. We'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now and God bless.